The Pixel 10 series is launching soon, and Google has already confirmed that it will be announced on August 20th, but even before the official reveal, we already know quite a bit about these new phones, thanks to leaks and teasers from Google itself. Now, a new leak has given us more good news. Most of the Pixel 10 phones will not be getting more expensive. This is something a lot of people will be happy about. According to a report from Android Headlines, the base prices for the Pixel 10 phones will mostly stay the same as they were for the Pixel 9 series. At a time when many companies, especially Apple, are increasing their prices, Google seems to be doing the opposite. It looks like they want to keep their phones more affordable while still offering great features. Let's talk about the prices. The standard Pixel 10 will cost $799 in the US, just like last year's Pixel 9 with 128GB of storage. If you want more storage, the 256GB version will be $899 again, the same price as before. This is great for people who want a premium phone without spending over $1,000. Next up is the Pixel 10 Pro. Google is keeping the price the same for this model too. The 128GB version will cost $999, and the higher storage options should follow the same pricing as last year. This shows that Google is trying to offer high-end features without raising the price tag, which is something many users will appreciate. Then we have the Pixel 10 Pro XL. At first, it might look like this one is getting more expensive. It starts at $1,199, which is $100 more than the base model of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. But here's the reason. There will be number 128GB version this year. The Pixel 10 Pro XL starts at 256GB, and last year's 256GB version of the Pixel 9 Pro XL also cost $1,199. So really, the price hasn't changed. Google just removed the smaller storage option. With how big apps, photos, and videos are getting, this change actually makes sense. Now let's look at the most premium model, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. This foldable phone will keep the same price as last year, but there's something new. Google is adding a 1TB version for users who need a lot of storage. That model will cost $2,149. That's a lot of money. But for someone who wants a foldable phone with top specs and tons of storage, this could be a good option. Along with stable prices, Google is offering some nice extras with the Pixel 10 phones. Buyers of the regular Pixel 10 will get 6 months of Google AI Pro, while those who buy the Pixel 10 Pro, Pro XL, or Fold will get a full year. These AI tools can make your phone smarter and more useful, so this is a valuable addition. That's not all. Every Pixel 10 beer will also get 6 months of Fitbit Premium and 3 months of YouTube Premium. If you like tracking your fitness or watching videos without ads, these bonuses will be useful. When you compare this pricing strategy with what other tech companies are doing, it really stands out. Many brands are raising prices because of higher production costs and taxes, but Google seems to be absorbing those extra costs instead of making the customer pay more. This could help Google earn more trust and loyalty from users, especially when compared to Apple, which is rumored to raise prices with the iPhone 17. Now the question is, will this pricing help Google win over iPhone users? Some people say that a small price difference, like $50, won't be enough to convince someone to switch from Apple to Google. But for people who are already thinking about switching, this could be the push they need, even if it doesn't make everyone switch. From iPhone to Pixel, it's clear that Google wants to offer great value. The Pixel 10 phones have top-level features, solid pricing, and useful extras, making them a strong choice for anyone looking to buy a new phone this year. As we get closer to August 20th, it's becoming more clear that Google is focusing on giving customers more for their money. While others raise prices, Google is doing the opposite, and that could be the smartest move of all.